Howdy everybody, welcome back. Today, we're in the middle of nowhere, Wyoming. Alright y'all, so the reason I'm in the middle of nowhere, Wyoming is because I'm headed to Grand Teton National Park. It's just me and the cows out here, got no cell phone service, so I'm driving till it gets dark and I'm finding me a spot to camp for the night. It's most likely going to be somewhere I'm not supposed to be camping because it is very, very sparsely populated out here, which means there's not a whole lot of civilization. So, see where we end up, but when I get there, I'm going to bring you guys in the back with me. We'll make some dinner.
One, two, three, I know beats like ABC. Mine come up, they hate to see. I may believe till they believe. I came up to major leagues. Say you blind, but wait and see. This so easy. 1, 2, 3, ABC from A to Z. Back to raps, I won't miss. Heard the beat and I kissed.
Alright. So I'm stopped at a rest stop. And I'm not exactly sure where I'm at, but I'm tired and I can't go any further. Plus it's dark and I don't want to miss all the scenery. So, stopped. And real quick, we're going to make some nachos before I go to bed. Alright, so all I need to make this meal is this plate and this spoon. And that's because this is my roadside, non-perishable nachos. Everything I have to make this meal is non-perishable with the exception of the cheese. And I realize it's not super exciting, but it's a little bit more creative than I've been recently. And this is kind of a bonus video, so just figured I'd bring you guys along for this. So the first ingredient, which actually inspired it, are these tortilla chips right here. They're spicy salsa salsitas. I'm sure I said that horribly wrong, but I picked these up in Colorado and thought it'd be really good to make some nachos out of these. So I'm just gonna lay these out on the plate. My next layer is gonna be some cheese, and I'm gonna do a multiple layers of cheese because I love cheese. I'm gonna get a little bit of this down first. Alright, now this is kind of the wild card here. I've never had this before, but it's this beef taco filling from Hereford. I've had some of their stuff before. All of it's pretty mediocre, but gives me taco meat without having to cook. And there is heat instructions on them, but I'm not going to bother because I really don't feel like it's going to make that big of a difference. So just breaking it up a little bit and tear it open and pour some on top. Oh, it juiced all over me. Smells like dog food. Here goes nothing. I slightly nervous, but can't be too bad. They sell it. It's got to be edible. That's what it looks like, in case you're wondering. realistically, it doesn't look all that much better than Taco Bell taco meat, so I'm not too bent out of shape about it. It's actually not that bad. It's got kind of a canned Hormel chili vibe to it. But next, we got some black beans. Pop this open, spoon some of these on top. Y'all hear that wind? The wind has been insane. I'll sprinkle a little bit more cheese on top now. And last but not least is some hatch green chili salsa. And then that's it. As I mentioned earlier, this is a bonus video. I wasn't going to record until I got to Grand Teton. I just got done with a concert in Colorado. I went and saw Sleep Token at Red Rocks, and I just decided along the way I didn't have cell phone service and got a little bored, so I was like, hey, I got a few things, throw together, got some decent scenery, bring you guys along for a little bit. It'll probably be a short video too, and obviously the food is not super exciting other than the fact that it's slightly creative, but just figured I'd share it with you. Ooh, that's smoky. It's really good though. And just like that, got nachos on the side of the road. I didn't have to cook anything. This is probably the easiest meal I've ever made in the van, and it might be the ugliest, but I'm on the side of the road in the middle of nowhere, and I've got nachos. So I'm excited. I forgot about the special drink that I have. So for the concert, I had some non-alcoholic beers I brought with me, and it's from a brewery called Untitled Art. They're a brewery I liked a lot when I was drinking. I've had it before, so I know what it tastes like, but I figure I'd have one with you guys. Cheers. So good. It's a Citra Haze IPA, but again, no alcohol on it. All right, let's give this a shot. See if I can get me one with, ooh, perfect. Get me one chip, the nice big load of everything on it. Got the cheese, got the beef, got the beans, salsa. Here goes nothing. You know, I'm not mad about this. It's a cold plate of nachos, but it's actually pretty damn good. Making a mess already. That's how you know you got good nachos. I'm actually impressed, y'all. I don't think too many people would knock this away if they were hungry. Which, I'm very hungry. I've been driving all day. So the tortilla chips are really good. I think they're making the dish, which is why I kind of built them around it. They're seasoned very, very well. Pretty spicy. The hatch green chili sauce is spicy. The taco meat is, like I said, nothing special. And realistically, the black beans are just for a little extra protein and to give it a little more body. But it's good. Man, all that spice is making my nose run. But I like it. So I got lucky with this rest stop in a couple ways. It's literally in the middle of nowhere, and I haven't had service all day, and there's actually service at this rest stop. So I'm gonna grab my phone, turn on some YouTube, and smash this plate of nachos. Catch you guys in a little bit.
Is a pleasurable feeling. So, at the core, it is still pleasure they're chasing, just not the kind one might be thinking about. According to hedonistic teachings, there are two types of pleasure: There's moving pleasure and there's static pleasure. But as a species, we must create a new morality, one that does away with the prejudice of what it is a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury, but signifying nothing. If life is truly meaningless and we have no purpose for being here, our response should be to make the best out of a bad situation.
All right, last nacho. That was good, and that was a big boy. Ate all my food, and I better have, because y'all know me, I gotta have my dessert. And y'all also know how I like to theme things in with each other. So the dessert is a caramel flan. I haven't had flan in a really long time, and I don't think I've ever had this brand. It's Senor Rico. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. Make sure you go deep to the bottom. That's where all the caramel is at. It's very gelatinous. It's pretty good. It's kind of odd texturally, as I think most flan is. But if you can get past that, the flavor is amazing. Now that I'm tasting this, it's got me craving like a really good, authentic flan. I'm going to have to find somebody that makes a good one. Well, I'm going to finish what little bits left of that beer and eat the rest of this flan. Then I'm going to bed. I'm tired, and I got a little bit left to go till I get to Grand Teton, so see you guys in the morning. Good morning. It actually got pretty cold last night. I ended up having to break out the heating pad. But I'm gonna get up, make some tea, and get going. All right, tea's ready. Go ahead and toss this up front and then head to the bathroom. Scenery at this rest stop is insane. You can see all the mountains in the background all the way around. But it's time to get back on the road. That's all for this one, folks. I appreciate you joining me. Hopefully you'll stick around for the next one. Take it easy.